When a data center provider pitches raw features, such as density, PUE, redundant power, what is actually happening in the mind of the CEO or the chief technology officer buyer? What critical business risks or operational insights are they looking for that technical specs completely ignore? When you or someone from your team comes in and pitches raw features and you start talking about high density workloads and efficiency and redundant power and cost per kilowatt, essentially what you're doing is you're telling the executive that you don't belong in the executive suite and that he should facilitate a warm introduction to the technical subject matter expert on their team that loves to geek out talking about the specs and features that you're currently talking about. In other words, it is a fast track to getting kicked out of the CEO's office. Because in the mind of the CEO and the CTO, you are not speaking their language. You're speaking a completely different language.